When? Now. Go, Randy. I'm Randy Jones with Incredible Tiny Homes. Behind me, it just disappeared. Here, look at this. This gentleman right here, Master Builder on YouTube. I'm encouraging you to go to his YouTube channel, and it's called Master Builder. He has done the next video I'm about to show you of our Incredibox. And it's a series of the next 4 videos that we're doing that he's featured for us. We've taken all 4 videos that he's done for us, and we're going to put them on our website. And it's the Incredibox, the Incredicottage, the Add-a-Box to an Incredibox, and an Add-a-Cottage to a cottage. We got 4 videos. This is the first one, and I've asked him to do a CGI drawing of, or video of each one of those models. I think you're going to enjoy this. So I think if you would go to his YouTube, he's done a great job with his own personal stuff. He's got like a semi-trailer here that he's turned into a tiny home out in the desert. I think in Florida, I believe. So, hey, what I want to kind of describe to you is that, you know, our Incrediboxes start out at $20,000. Now that's an Add-a-Box, right? So the Add-a-Box, and you can get the older panels and the newer panels. The prices I'm going to give you right now are our new panels. Our new panels have no fasteners on the inside or outside. The only thing is we got a little bit of trim. You can order it in a just unfinished, or you can get it completely finished with wood trim and any kind of decor you would like on the outside, inside, and we can work on different packages like that. But I wanted to give you more of a, you know, we've done some videos before and shown how it's before and after. Did great. We love that, and we're going to continue to do them kind of videos. But this is a CGI drawing, mainly because of the cottage. We've not been able to get that because of all the assembly line that we're having to catch up on. And we're going to debut that cottage in the attic cottage in the next couple weeks. So this is Marcus. I just said his first name. His name's Marcus, and I've been talking to him. Great guy, Master Builders on YouTube. So I'm going to go out of his and into what he's done for us. And here is the Incredibox, all right? And she's gonna zoom in on this if I can get this done right. And again, you guys can go on our website, and these will be featured on our website. I'm trying not to stop too many times on this. The first thing he does, of course, the Incredibox and the floor plan. The floor plan is exactly like we've been doing. You come in the bathroom, kitchen, shower, living room. He's added a porch, which I always tell everybody, this is, if you're going to live in it, it'd be a great porch. And look at this. Isn't this cool? He's got a little bit of music to it. Please enjoy this video, and we'll stop and just show. But this bay window is an added feature, the amenity that you could put onto this house too. And that's a stucco finish. Now remember, this is a DIY, decorate it yourself. Of course, all this is landscaping. You can put your own deck, your porch. Think $20,000 if you want to just get the Add-a-Box. And the Incredibox is $25,000. For $25,000, you're going to get the full bathroom, the full kitchen. You're going to get the water heater, your space for your refrigerator, or if you want to put a washer and dryer. The rest of it is just decor. So let's go inside. There's your prices. 20 footers, $30K. And a 20-foot Add-a-Box is $25,000. That's what comes with the 25 and 30, 16 and 20-foot home. The rest is decor. Isn't that cool? There's your bay window that we can add to your house for $2,500. bathroom there. So it's a 36-inch shower. Go to our website. It'll have all the amenities listed on this home. This here is a 20-foot home, and we do have a 16-foot home for $25,000, and that's with our new panels, all right? So $25,000 with our new panels that are 2 3/4 inches thick. Regular elongated toilet, 36-inch shower, vanity. The vanity is something you would add. That's a DIY. Of course, the furniture, all that's just paint and blinds that you guys can do, the wood trim around the windows. So there you have it, the Incredibox. Go to Master Builders on his YouTube. You'll be able to check out what he's done, what he's all about. Give him a thumbs up for Incredible Tiny Homes and what he's done. All right, everybody. Thank you.